Hello, my name is Chris Muck, Product Manager at Blum US, and today we're going to install Tandem Plus BLUMOTION in a bottom mount application. To bottom mount Tandem Plus BLUMOTION runners, your cabinet will need to have a flush bottom or fixed shelf to which the runner will be attached. Mark the hole locations for the runners using the dimensions given in the Tandem Plus BLUMOTION brochure. Or there is an even easier method, which we will use for our installation. We already know that the runner will sit flat on this fixed shelf and flush against the cabinet sidewall. All we need to do is determine the location in depth or runner setback. For a typical overlay application, our runner setback would be 3 millimeters or 1/8 of an inch. Since this will be an interior rollout and will be hidden by a hinge door, we will set the runner back a little bit further to ensure that the subfront does not contact the back of the door. Our setback will be 5 millimeters or 3/16 of an inch. Use clamps or otherwise secure the runner while you pre-drill at these 4 hole locations. Next, use number 6 by 5/8 flathead wood screws to attach the runner to the cabinet. To ensure we have enough holding strength to meet the load capacity of the runner, we recommend running screws at all of these locations. Now that our runners are attached, we can insert our drawer. If you have any questions about Tandem Plus BLUMOTION or any of our other products and services, please visit our website at blum.com. If there are any other videos you'd like to see in the future, please let us know in the comments below.